Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280 on Windows. This error usually appears when your Roblox client is outdated, and reinstalling Roblox can often fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Open it. In the search bar, type Roblox. If you see one or more Roblox entries, uninstall all of them. Wait until the uninstallation is complete. Now open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Open any game and click the play button. Roblox will detect that it is not installed and will prompt you to download the latest version. Click Download and install Roblox. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After the installation finishes, launch Roblox again and check if Error Code 280 has been fixed. So this is how you can fix Roblox Error Code 280 on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.